Refuting the notion that the universe has always existed is an important philosophical and scientific endeavor, as it touches on fundamental questions about the nature of reality and the origins of the universe. The idea that the universe has always existed runs contrary to several lines of scientific evidence and reasoning, particularly in the fields of cosmology and physics. Here are some arguments and quotes to challenge the assertion. Big Bang Theory and Cosmic Background Radiation. The Big Bang Theory, the prevailing cosmological model for the observable universe, implies a singular beginning. According to this theory, the universe started from a state of extremely high density and temperature and has been expanding ever since. This model is supported by substantial empirical evidence. Cosmic Microwave Background, CMB. The discovery of the CMB radiation, which is a thermal remnant from the early universe, provides strong evidence of the universe having a finite beginning. George Smoot, an astrophysicist and Nobel laureate, famously remarked on this evidence. If you're religious, it's like looking at God. Expansion of the universe. Edwin Hubble's observation that galaxies are moving away from us in all directions supports the idea that the universe has been expanding from a once compact state. This expansion suggests a beginning, as mathematically, if you reverse the expansion, the universe converges back to a point. Thermodynamics. The laws of thermodynamics, particularly the second law, which states that the entropy of an isolated system always increases, support the notion that the universe had a beginning. An eternal universe would lead to a state of thermodynamic equilibrium, which we do not observe. Instead, we see a universe with considerable order and structure, suggesting a beginning with lower entropy. Philosophical and theological perspectives. From a philosophical and theological standpoint, the idea of an eternal universe has been debated extensively. One significant argument against the eternity of the universe comes from the Kalam cosmological argument, which posits, whatever begins to exist has a cause. The universe began to exist, therefore, the universe has a cause. This argument, used by philosophers such as William Lane Craig, suggests that an infinite regress of events in the past is logically untenable, leading to the conclusion that the universe must have a beginning. Quotes against an eternal universe. Stephen Hawking, almost everyone now believes that the universe and time itself had a beginning at the Big Bang. Albert Einstein. After the confirmation of his theory of general relativity and its implication of a non-static universe, Einstein conceded, "This circumstance of an expanding universe irritates me," indicating his initial discomfort with a universe that has not always been static. Alexander Vilenkin. With the proof now in place, cosmologists can no longer hide behind the possibility of a past eternal universe. There is no escape. They have to face the problem of a cosmic beginning. These perspectives challenge the notion of an eternal universe and support the idea of a universe with a definite beginning. Using such scientific evidence and philosophical arguments can effectively counter the claim that the universe has always been here.